Hi, this is Nolan from Benchmark, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to create a new project hierarchy level within a Uinta project. So what I've done is I've edited one of my existing projects, and you can see here I'm on the project hierarchy tab. And what I'm going to do to create a new level is I'm going to head to the bottom right corner where the orange plus button is. That is going to bring up my add level option here. In my case, I want to create a new hierarchy level with the point option. So I'm going to select that point, and you can see here that it creates a new level with the point, and there are currently no additional records associated to the point. But for now, that is everything in today's video. That is how you create a new hierarchy level within Juniper's Uinta. But if you have a moment, I would please ask you to hit that subscribe button down below. It really does help us out and helps me keep making these videos. And if you have any questions about anything you've seen on our YouTube channel or on the GIS and surveying space in general, please give us a call at 1-888-286-3204 or visit us on the web at bench-mark.ca.